Hi, this is Jamel with Cherche Kennels in beautiful Statesville, North Carolina. I am so excited to introduce an absolutely stunning, big, blocky boy we have for sale. This is a beautiful Bernese Mountain Dog, Mr. Gray, of Becca and Lazarus' litter. He was born November 25th, so he's just been in our training program the last couple weeks. We know his personality very well. His Recherche score is 667, 6 being that he is dependent. This entire litter is a dependent litter. They love to be around people. He's just the least dependent and least needy puppy in his litter. He's not a puppy that has to be around us. He can handle being by himself and self-entertained. He's a puppy that's okay to be left alone, and he's just an absolute sweetheart. But he has a very balanced personality in that he's not super dependent. And then on the activity scale, he's a 6 out of 10. He is outgoing, but just slightly. He's very balanced with his energy. He's not super high energy, but he's also not super calm and laid back. He's slightly outgoing. He does have energy, but not a lot. And then one of the things we love about him is his confidence. He is the most confident boy that's available. He is not fearful. He is not shy and timid. And Bernese Mountain Dogs are naturally that way. They're naturally weary and dogs that are sensitive, but he's a little bit more confident, which means we believe he's going to do the best in training of the boys that we have available, the puppies we have available. He is one of the big boys in his litter. He has a big blocky head, thick coat. I mean, he is just a near perfect looking Bernese Mountain Dog. Absolutely love him. I was so tempted to keep him as a stud dog. The problem is he'd be related to almost every one of our females. Many of our females are related to either Lazarus or Becca. And so there was only like 2 or 3 females we could breed him to if we kept him. So he would have been the dog that I would have kept if he wasn't related to all my other dogs. So he's a stunning dog. He is an incredible boy. Size-wise, my best guess is he's going to be 90 to 105 pounds. His dad is 103 pounds. I think he can get up to that size. He's just a big boy in his litter. His mom is 75 pounds, and his dad is the 103-pound big boy, and that's where I think he's going to get. Now, he's able to go home after graduating either Puppy Academy, which is training till 12 weeks of age, which is February 27th. The second training level is our most popular training program we call Canine College. That's training till 16 weeks of age, which is March 17th. Now, it's the most popular training program because, number one, he'll have all of his shots, so you don't have to quarantine him. Secondly, he'll be able to hold his restroom twice as long at 16 weeks than at 12 weeks. And the biggest reason people choose that program is their obedience commands. They grow the most between the ages of 10 and 16 weeks of age. So many times, puppies at 16 weeks of age are 3 times better obedience trained than puppies at 12 weeks. The third training level is Master's Program. That's training till 20 weeks of age, which is April 14th. And the fourth training level is Doggy Doctorate, training till 6 months of age, which is May 25th. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see pictures of Becca and Lazarus. If you click on those pictures, a video will play where I summarize each of the parents, talk about their health clearances. This is one of the healthiest Bernese Mountain Dog litters we have ever produced, and that's simply because the parents are incredible. If you click on those pictures, a video will play. Lazarus scored 2-2 with his BVA hips, which is the lowest hip score of any dog we have ever owned of any breed and that we have ever seen. I've never seen a lower hip score than BVA 2-2. BVA 4-4 and lower is OFA equivalent excellent, and only 4% of Bernese Mountain Dogs have excellent. So 2-2 is just ridiculous. I haven't seen one dog that's better than that. That is unbelievable. Now, what I'd like to do is to summarize our Puppy Training Institute, and we're going to show Mr. Green in training. Now, he's only had a couple weeks of training, so he's not going to wow you. He's not going to be amazing in his training. If you do want to see what the puppies actually will look like, go to the Puppy Training Institute page. There you can actually see a video of every training program and puppies, normal puppies that have graduated the program. That's not the best puppies. We purposely didn't do that because we didn't want to raise your expectations. We'd rather exceed them. So we're going to show you just our regular program, and then I'll come back and let you know what to do if you want to reserve Mr. Gray. Our Puppy Training Institute has 4 core areas. There's a couple areas that are very visible that we're going to show you on camera with the puppy that's for sale. Some of the areas are a little bit more difficult, but the one area that's very visible to show is outside training, and the big part of that is leash training. Puppies love the pull, love the tug, love the cut in front of you, and so we train them to walk on our left side. We train them that when we stop walking, they do what's called an auto sit. That's where they automatically sit without being told, without having any hand signals. They automatically sit. That it builds respect and focus on you. A couple other areas in outside training, it's a little bit harder to show, is car training and then also swim training when the weather's warmer. The second area that's very visible is obedience training. All of our trainers are certified dog trainers that's been training dogs for years. They know what they're doing. They're all certified. They all can do Canine Good Citizen. They're all very good trainers. And we work on the obedience commands of sit, down, stay, come, place, kennel, and they are trained extensively in all these areas. Now we have 3 different communication tools we use with the puppies. We use hand signals, we use words, and then we use the training lead that we will provide you. And so as they get older, they get better and better. They can hold their stay longer, they can hold their place longer, they can hold their kennel longer. They can do it with both hand signals and words only, and so they get better and better. The place is when they jump up on the Karandakot. You will definitely want to buy a Karandakot because that allows the transition for our training to go to you. It's a wonderful command. When we say kennel, they go into their kennel on their own volition. We typically keep the door open, especially as they get older. And we train them, they cannot leave the kennel or really any other door until they are released. The 2 other areas that's a little bit more difficult that we're going to show you just generic dogs going through this. The one area is house training. We actually spend more time in house training than all the other areas combined. That's about 2/3 of the training. And this is where we work on the most important area of potty training. Of course, we're training them not to use the restroom inside and the signal eventually to go outside. A puppy at 12 weeks of age can typically hold the restroom about 1 hour during the day, whereas a puppy at 6 months can do 4 hours. The same thing is with crate training. We train them to sleep at night in their crate, eat in their crate. And a 12-week-old can typically sleep around 4 to 5 hours without having to be let out. And a 6-month-old, it's 6 to 10 hours. So obviously the longer they're in training, the longer they can be crate trained. We also, though, while they're in house training, we train them not to jump up on us, not to chew things in the house, not to bite our hands. It's very extensive. And then the last area is socialization training. Many people worry about getting a trained or older puppy is that they won't bond. Well, because of our socialization program, our puppies bond very quickly. In fact, we've never had a client complain about that. And so in our socialization, we're training them not to be afraid of thunderstorms. We're training them not to be afraid of the hair dryer, of the blow dryer, of the vacuum cleaner. We have a TV in our puppy training area, in our house training area, where we're socializing them. They go on field trips when they get older. We work extensively on them being handled. We have 20+ people that work for us, so these puppies are handled by multiple people and they're socialized extensively. That is our Puppy Training Institute. Now, if you're interested in Mr. Gray, read through this entire page. If you scroll to the bottom, you'll see the pictures we just took of him. Right above the most recent pictures are his prices for each of the training levels. Now, some people do have a hard time finding the prices, so in this video, we're going to show you where prices are found on a typical page. But the prices you see in this video are not necessarily his prices. You do need to scroll down on his page and look at his prices. And then right below this video is a link that says click here to fill out puppy application. Click on the words puppy application, fill it out. We will respond within 24 hours. Thank you so much for taking time to visit Mr. Gray of Becca and Lazarus' litter. Thank you so much, and God bless. Good job.